Hi, it's Andy here with another TSS Toll Shorty, and today we're looking at doesn't and don'ts to describe habits, facts and routines in the present simple tense. Okay, so we use the present simple tense to talk about habits, routines and facts, and we've got some examples here. A teacher works in a school, that's a fact. Billy takes the bus to work each day, that's part of Billy's routine. I use a credit card to pay for my shopping. That's a habit. It's something I do regularly. Okay, it's not a routine, it's a habit. Okay, now these sentences are all in the present simple tense. Now, the difficulty comes when we introduce don't and doesn't. People often confuse which one do I use, don't or doesn't, and how do I use the verb as well in that sentence. So we're going to look at some examples here. We use don't and the base form of the verb after I, we, you, and they. And we've got some examples here. I don't go to school in a taxi. You don't wear your coat anymore. We don't fly to Manchester. They don't eat meat. And you'll notice that go, wear, fly, and eat are all in the base forms of those verbs. Okay, we use the base forms there. Okay, the next stage then is where we have he, she, or it, and we use doesn't again with the base form of the verb. And we've got some examples here. He doesn't know her name. She doesn't work here. It doesn't go there. Okay, so you can see, again, know, work, and go are the base forms of the verb. But with he, she, and it, we use doesn't. So the important thing to know is your verb tables again. I don't, you don't, we don't, and they don't. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Once you know them, you're using the base form of the verb, and you should be forming your sentences quite easily with the present simple tense, but using the correct form of don't or doesn't, or the correct form of the base verb. Okay, we want you to schedule induction classes with us, and we can help you with your English language competency. We can assess it and find out how we can help you towards your English language proficiency, language learning goals. Okay, contact us through our email. If you're in China, through WeChat. If you're not, maybe on WhatsApp, and we'll see you soon. You'll get 30 minutes of my time, my experience over the last 20 years of working with CEFR, and we'll help you plan out and map out where you're going with your English language learning. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.